flown by Phil O'Dell, and the captain of the aircraft is actually Kev Rumans. And here we come. I'm afraid you're only going to get one pass, but enjoy it and get cameras out. What I'm sure most of you know is that sadly the 558 now is coming to the end of its life, but it's permitted what will be a slightly unconventional Vulcan display, but in essence the same idea. All the villages that they have to avoid here, don't be too concerned. It's just a little bit of a wide display, but say Phil will be doing his best to give you as much noise as possible, and certainly to show this beautiful aeroplane off to its best ability. Coming right now, come in on straight towards the crowd, and when we'll be pulling up into we call it a spiral climb. It doesn't go very high, but it enables us to put full power on for a good very lucky, I call him a young man, some of you call him a bit older. He's also the chief test pilot for Rolls-Royce, and he has his own Spitfire PR-19 as well to play with. Wait for the noise. For this aircraft, initially designed by Roy Chadwick in late 1940, wing over just there. Kev Rumans famous for his rather over bank wing overs, but I'm afraid we can't do it here. Waiting now, should come in, go into a left turn, wait for the bomb doors to open. There we go. Sadly, the Vulcan has to come to the end of its life, not because of a lack of funding, because we've had so much magnificent support from the general public over the years, but purely because it's no longer permitted to fly without the companies, the large engineering companies who monitor the safety of the aircraft, and none of them have the expertise, I reckon, anymore to keep an eye on this aircraft. So this is why it's coming to an end.